Please turn your attention to the center of the court for a special welcome, remembrance, and presentation. Last January, former Triton volleyball standout Karen Reese died tragically with her brother David in Coronado. One of the most charismatic and loved players in UCSD history, Reese was an inspiration to everyone in the Triton family. In recognition and appreciation of the impact Karen had on the UCSD athletic program, and women's volleyball in particular, the 2012 Triton team will be wearing KR Heart patches on their uniforms this season. Also in support of the Reese Ripple program, which challenges wearers of the brightly colored bracelets to have the same positive ripple effect on the lives of those around them as Karen and David Reese did. UCSD Volleyball will display Reese Ripple logos on the pull pads of the volleyball court throughout the season. You can pick up your Reese Ripple bracelet from the concourse table at the arena entrance, as well as more information on the program. At this time, UC San Diego team captains Amber Hawthorne and Lizzie Andrews and head coach Ricky Ludes will present a special jersey to the Reese family. Her parents Tom and Patty, sister Melanie, and brother Mark, featuring the KR Heart patch and the number 1, signifying her place in the hearts of her friends, teammates, and the entire Triton family. At this time, we would like to ask all fans to stand and observe a moment of silence in memory of Karen Reese and her brother David. Thank you. Before we meet tonight's starting lineups, we'll have the coin flip. Tossing the coin tonight will be Mark and Melanie Reese. Now let's meet the starting lineups. First for the visiting Golden Eagles of Cal State Los Angeles. At middle blocker, 5'11" senior from Rancho Cucamonga,